Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to introduce one investment offer application, that is Mytoken. To install Mytoken, go to Play Stores, then type here Mytoken. This is the application you have to install. After install, open that app. Already I installed this application. Once you installed, you have to click on register, then type your mobile number and invitation code 920651. This code I will give you in the description of this video. After completion of the registration, you have to recharge within this app. To recharge, click on the recharge. If you want to invest with Indian rupees, click on this Indian rupees. Here enter the amount, say 1000 rupees. That will goes to USDT, right? Then go to confirm payment. After click on that, click on confirm payment. Once you click on confirm this, once you confirm, you have to pay this UPI AHA Malshaji at ICAC. Copy this one. Then go to your GPay account. Where is GPay? Then go to new payment. Then click here UPI. Then click on UPI ID. Here you have to paste that. Then continue. Okay. After continue that, click on pay. Here enter the 1000 and click to pay. Okay. Already I made some investments. I don't want to invest now. Okay. This is the way of you have to recharge with Mytoken app. Okay. After that, I will tell you how to make withdrawal. Then come to this one, this application, withdrawal. Go back, go to withdraw. If you want to use Indian rupees, click on Indian rupees, choose bank account. Here I linked my UPI, this is my ID. Then enter the amount, say 200. Sorry, that is USDT. Here enter 200. So once you click on confirm, it will directly go to your Google Pay account. So these the steps you have to follow while withdraw the amount. Then now digital currency, that means USDT, to your crypto exchange. Here you have to enter the amount you have to withdraw, say 100 or whatever it is. Then the network is TRC20. So you have to use only Binance crypto exchange. That is better. So please avoid Wajirex. That is the thing. Here you have to enter the address, copy this address, then paste in the Binance application. Okay, that is the way you have to recharge through cryptocurrency. To cryptocurrency live demo will make another video. This is the way. I will show you my withdrawal receipt details. Withdrawal, then 27 122 I made withdraw. 27 confirm. This is my withdrawal. I withdrawn 18.5 USD. I got 17.945 USDT. I will show you the plans, how much you can earn. Go here, say USDT means if you transfer USDT through your Binance exchange or whatever the exchange, click here. Say if you have USDT deposited, then for one day you will get 40% monthly. That means you will get 1.33 something. Okay, and this 15 days plan you will get approximately 55% for monthly, and per day you will get around 3 point something. Okay, and this is the third plan, 30 days 70%, monthly income 70%, divided by 30 comes whatever it is, that is 2 point something. Okay, this is the way you have to investment. If you recharge with INR deposit, go here USDT, then you have to choose these plans. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to use my invitation code 920651. I think I will give you in the description that the code, invitation code, is a must for registration. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.